Big thank you to Phoenix for sending us this awesome bike. This bike actually comes in 4 different sizes, the 12-inch, 14-inch, 16-inch, and 18-inch. They sent us the 18-inch for our growing boy. He is 4'2" right now. This is the perfect size for him. There are also 3 different colors to choose from. There's red, white, and blue. Very, very patriotic. I chose the blue one because I'm going to actually transform it myself with my own crafting, so stay tuned to that video. We actually didn't take this bike out for a spin in this video because we had some rain and everything, but we do take it out in the next video coming up very soon. But it's just an unboxing video. It shows how very, very quickly you can put this bike together right out of the box, and the price is right. So parents, if you're looking for a bike that is easy to put together, looks really, really sharp, and is really high quality, check out the Phoenix. Link in my description below to get your own Phoenix. Thank you so much to Phoenix for sending this product to us for our review.
Yes.
Oh my god! Oh, it's a bug! Oh my god, I can actually put something here! Oh my god!
You gotta wait till you're outside.
You gotta go outside.
Yeah, and I have
There's
to
training wheels on.
And you gotta wear sneakers.
Sneakers, helmet.
What do you say to Phoenix?
Thank you, Phoenix. So that was what that. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.